Some of you may remember John Barnett Slaughter from past videos here on the Wrath series. My first encounter with Mr. Slaughter was on June 12, 2016, when he and several other people surrounded me in a very aggressive manner and began verbally accosting me at the memorial for the victims of the Orlando nightclub shooting. He was also present at the July 7th protest in Portland, where he was witness to a mob attacking me, which subsequently led to me drawing my Glock in self-defense. Somehow, I was the one considered to be the bad guy and charged with 21 counts of defending myself. At my trial, Mr. Slaughter was called to the witness stand. One of the many lies we caught him in was his claim that there were tons of police officers all over the place during the march/protest. Let's listen in to some of his statements on the witness stand, under oath, in front of Judge Thomas Ryan.
Did you actually see the police officers as you're...
Oh yeah, they were a couple blocks ahead of us the whole time.
Were they uniform officers?
Oh yes, they were in their cars and bikes. They were along with us up and down the whole entire rally. Side with us, officers standing, walking in the streets, then also you could see them as we marched.
How many uniformed police officers would you estimate were in the crowd? Not just on the outskirts, but what?
Ooh, in the crowd? It's hard to say. I saw many of them on the side walks. I know many police officers, so I'd say hi to them. I remember seeing a couple of police officers towards the curb. They were all in the outskirts.
All in the outskirts?
All in the outskirts.
How many would you say in the outskirts?
I have to guesstimate 20.
All right, and you could see them from where you were standing?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so they're not hidden or anything like that?
No, oh no. They're in police gear too, so they really can't hide.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, definitely anyone at that place could see them. They made themselves known.
Oh, very much so. I mean, I'm sure you've seen the video too, so you could probably count how many police officers were there.
Okay,
yeah.
There's just one problem with his claims. None of it's true. In fact, there were no visible uniformed police at the protest. This is proven by the many videos out there from the event, and other witness statements, including those of Assistant Portland Police Chief Chris Davis, who was the incident commander during the protest.
Do you know how many uniformed officers were in the crowd or around the crowd?
I don't think we had any uniformed officers in or around the crowd.
Okay. Was that an order that you gave?
Yes.
So there you have it. The police commander admitting that he's the one who gave the stand down order. Now, had the police been there doing their most basic job functions, I doubt the mob would have ever attacked me in the first place. But instead, I was left to fend for myself. Here are some other witness statements from my trial regarding the police presence.
Any visible police presence at the Pioneer Courthouse Square? Did you see any uniformed police officers?
I saw none.
Before, you were unaware that any uniformed police officers were around the corner when you were filming this, is that correct?
Yeah, I was actually kind of surprised. Like, we're right there at the Judge Center, but I couldn't see any police that were, making themselves present to make sure that the event went through smoothly.
Okay.
At the Justice Center at that point, did you see uniformed police officers present?
No.
Were they in the crowd or watching bicycle cops, anything like that?
I did not see any uniformed officers in that vicinity.
And did you see any uniformed police officers in the crowd?
No. In the crowd? I'm sorry, you got trailed off. No, not in the crowd.
Outside the crowd, standing on the top of the crowd, or in the park, where you were other uniformed police officers?
No.
But no other uniformed police officers along the street that you could tell?
No, not that I saw.
And had there been any in the park, you would have been aware of that?
Well, I would hope they'd tell me. If they were in uniform, I would have probably seen them, obviously.
The evidence in this case is pretty strong so far that there were no uniformed officers present.
So either John Slaughter is delusional, or he is intentionally lying to the judge in court. Of course, he doesn't face any consequences for lying on the stand, and in fact, he's rewarded by seeing someone who he chose to be his adversary, me, get punished. Visit The Wrath of Laughing at Liberals for more lies from our friend John Slaughter.